Hi guys, Sam here from New Hampshire Aviation. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Virgin Atlantic 747. In the end of the video I'll do a little channel update. By the way, I also got a GoPro to improve my video quality. So, back to the plane. The box is this nice red. There's Virgin Atlantic in the background and a bunch of clouds. On the back of the box, there's this artwork with some vehicles. So now I'll open it. So the tape, there we go. Just get the other side. Okay. There she is. Wow, nice and painted. Let me cut this off. Okay, so here is the plane. It's a 747. It's nice and painted. Wow. There is what the wings look like from the bottom. Nice purple lettering. And right there, if you can see that. It says Pretty Woman. There's the back. The Virgin sign. 4 engines and everything. It's so sad that they retired this. I wish they would have kept it. So this model you can get for, I believe it is $13 off this website. I'll put a link to it in the description. And you do have to pay for shipping. It has to be shipped from the UK. So that's a little bit of a bummer. But I highly recommend this if you can get your hands on this. I wish they would make a more modern Virgin Atlantic plane that wasn't retired. That would be nice. So now let me show you the channel update. Okay, so for a little channel update, here are the planes on the shelves over here. So I got a GoPro to improve my video quality, which should make things a lot better. There's the Virgin Atlantic I just unboxed. Down here, I will be filling up with planes because because I just got a Scandinavian A340, a Latam, an El Al, a Lufthansa, and I have an Emirates, and on the way coming is a Jetstar 787 and a Thompson 767. So something clever you can do with the boxes is I've been putting them over here on the wall, and it looks really nice. And also, one last thing, this is a map, and each of these pins is a hub. So for an airline, so for example, this right here is Spirit Airlines in Fort Lauderdale, and over here is Madrid for Iberia, and over here is Emirates in Dubai. So yeah, that is a map of all the hub airports of airlines in my fleet. There's Australia. So thank you guys for watching. I've been working really hard on growing my channel, and it would really help out if you could subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.